Hello, welcome to my new unboxing video. Please note that this is not a review, it's just a quick unboxing and overview. We'll be unboxing the UniQual UQRK10 Rotary toolkit today. I purchased it for Rs 2,779 from Amazon India and got it in 2 days. Let's open the package. It comes in a plastic hard case. Specifications and kit contents can be found on the front and back of the case. Opening the case, we can see a detailed instruction manual first. Let's take a look at the grinder itself. It's a 135 watts grinder with a 2-pin plug and works on 220 volt with a speed of 8,000 to 35,000 RPM. Let's keep it aside and take a look at the flexible shaft. It has a length of 42 inches. There is a plastic safety shield as well for protecting from the particles erupting while at work. 2 polishing pastes are included. Now, let's take a look at this small box. Carbon brushes are included in a plastic cover. Felt buffs, mandrels, drill bits, grinding stones, sanding discs, bands, everything needed for the work can be found in the box. That's all guys, thanks for watching.